Hello everyone, and welcome to French Fried Trades. Today, we're going to be building another transformer here, and we're going to be building Transformers Generation 1 Ultra Magnus, since we've already done Optimus Prime. And for those of you who don't know, Ultra Magnus is a Freightliner cab-over semi-truck with a completely made-up fantasy car carrier trailer. And this is what it looks like, so let's get right into it. So we're going to start off with the front wheel, so take out a block of coal and place that down for the wheel. On the front of it, we're going to do 5 wide of polished andesite top slabs like this, then another block of coal on this side here. Then in the middle, a 3x3 of polished blackstone top slabs. Then behind that, we're going to do a 3x7 of quartz top slabs coming back on the middle 3 blocks. Then put a block of coal here and here for the back wheels, and same thing on this side. Then we're going to go through and put an item frame on all 3 wheels, and then a lodestone on all the item frames. And then repeat that process for the wheels on this side of the truck. Next, we're going to come on the front 2 quartz slabs, and still using top slabs, we're going to put 2 polish andesite slabs on the front 2. So 2 right here, and then 2 right here. Now we're going to come up front, and on each front corner a column of 2 smooth quartz blocks on either side. Then we're going to come right behind this on the bottom and do a 3x3 of polished blackstone block in the middle like this. Then above each wheel we're going to put a single smooth quartz top slab here and here. Behind that, an upside down forward facing smooth quartz stair on either side. Then behind that, we're going to put a smooth quartz slab on the bottom and the top, like that. Same thing here, a quartz slab on the bottom here and here. Then we'll put 3 smooth quartz blocks on this top outer edge, 3 on this side, and then come across the back with it here. Now come on this front middle and do a 3x3 of smooth quartz slabs, so 3 blocks wide and 3 blocks tall. Then down each side, 4 polished andesite here, 4 here, 3 smooth quartz block on the back. Fill the bottom of this in here with polished andesite. Then we're going to put a dark oak fence gate here, and then 3 dark oak stairs here for seats. We'll also put a lever in the middle here. Then come on top of the front, and we're going to do 2 black stained glass blocks, smooth quartz, 2 stained glass block. Then 1 black stained glass pane on the side here and here, and come down and around the back with smooth quartz block. Then we're going to put an item frame on the back here, and 1 here. Then up here we're going to put a lever here, and a birch fence above it for a mirror. Same thing on this side, a lever, and then a birch fence. Then take a birch fence gate on top, put 1 here and here. Then a smooth quartz slab here, here, and here. Behind it we're going to do a 3x5 of smooth quartz slabs up here, so it fills in the whole top of this truck here. Then we'll come down on the back, and we're going to put a birch fence gate here and here. Then above it on each side, a column of 3 stone brick walls coming up. Then on top of each of those, a single birch fence. Then come down here on the bottom, and we're going to do a 3x7 of smooth quartz blocks on the center here, and bring it to the back of the truck here. Just like that. Next, we're going to come up front on the bottom. And on the edge of this slab, we're going to put a single mangrove sign. Then come on the front and do 2 mangrove signs on either side of the front and bottom. And then 1 on this corner, and then on the front middle, a bamboo sign. Then on the bottom of each side, a glow item frame with a frog light, and then an acacia button above each of those. Then an acacia button here. Then back here, we're going to do a birch sign and a stone button. Repeat on this side, so an acacia button here, then a birch sign here, and a stone button right here. Then we need to come into a loom with a black banner and brown dye and do this fade. And this will be for the mud flaps. Come to the back, and we're going to put 1 on the back of this wheel here, and 1 on the back of this wheel here. Then on the front of this wheel, we're going to put a white banner here, and 1 on this side. Then take polished andesite stairs and put 2 outward facing stairs here, and 2 here for the gas tanks. truck itself is done and we can work on the trailer. So we're going to come behind this on bottom and skip 1 block from the back of this so there's a gap of space. And we're going to go 5 wide with red concrete. And then we're going to start extending that back until it's a total of 21 blocks long. And then once you have 21 blocks long, just start filling it all in so that it's 5 wide. So this whole thing becomes a 5 by 21 of red concrete on the bottom. Then once we have that, we're going to come where we left this gap between here. And inside the gap on bottom, we need 5 upside down mangrove stairs coming across facing forward like this. Then on this top corner here, we're going to put 3 red concrete starting on this stair and 3 on this side and make it all the way across so it's 5 wide like that. So a 3 by 5. Then we'll put a backwards mangrove stair here, 1 on that side. Then come up here and do an upside down mangrove stair facing forward on this corner and then this corner. Then 3 mangrove top slabs in front of that on each side. Then across the top right here where these mangrove stuff is, we're going to do a 4 by 5 of red concrete up here on this level. Then an upside down mangrove stair on this side here. And then an upside down mangrove stair on this side right here. So we should be looking like this now. Now come up in this corner and put 5 backward facing mangrove stairs here. Then 5 mangrove slabs. Then 1 slab on each side. Then come down here and we're going to come on the top outside edge on the bottom of each side and do a full row of mangrove slabs coming all the way to the back of each side. Then we'll switch to mangrove trapdoors, and on each side we'll do a full row of trapdoors next to the slabs coming all the way up each side here. Then we'll also put 1 here and here. Now come on the very back, put a light blue concrete here, then an upside down prismarine brick stair facing forward. Same thing here, so light blue concrete, upside down prismarine brick stair. In front of that, we're going to do a block of coal, skip 1 another block of coal for the wheels. Then an upside down prismarine brick stair facing backwards there. Same thing, coal here and here, prismarine brick stair backwards here. Then go through and we're going to put an item frame on all 4 of these back wheels with lodestone blocks on them. Then we're going to come on top of this front stair, and this time we're going to put a forward facing prismarine brick stair on top of it here, 1 on this side. Then behind that, 5 light blue concrete coming back here, and 5 light blue concrete over here. Now on the back on bottom, we're going to put 3 backward facing prismarine brick stairs on either side like this. And then actually we're going to have to take out the slab and trapdoor on the back of each side here. And on each side right here, we're going to put 2 columns of 3 quartz blocks. And same thing right here. So there's a gap of space between them there. Then we're going to come on the side here, and we'll put 5 prismarine brick slabs right here. Then repeat on this side, so 5 slabs right here. Then on the side of this light blue concrete at the back, 2 warp signs, then 3 ladders. Repeat on this side, so 3 ladders, 2 warp signs. Then we're going to need to come inside here behind this, and we actually need to take out 4 of these slabs right here. Sorry about that. And we'll do a 4 by 3 of light blue concrete on each side in its place. So 4 long of light blue concrete, and we're going to make them 3 blocks tall on each side, so they're at the same height of these quartz blocks. So it's like that. Now come on the front of the trailer up here, and on the side of this layer of red concrete, we're going to put a row of 4 mangrove signs here. And this is all going to be for added detailing, and we'll repeat on this side, so 4 mangrove signs up here as well. Then we're going to come down under this stair and put a single sideways grindstone here, behind it 3 red stained glass panes. Then behind that on bottom, we're just going to do a full row of blank mangrove signs coming all the way across the bottom here to the back. Then we'll repeat on this side. So under this stair here, we're going to put a grindstone, then 3 red stained glass panes, and across here, another full row of blank mangrove signs to the back. Then we'll also come up on this level and put 3 mangrove signs right here. And same thing on this side, 3 mangrove signs right here. Now we'll move down to the back of the trailer again, and 1 block back from these quartz blocks, we're going to do 2 columns of 3 quartz blocks up here and on this side, and so there's a gap of space between them again, and they're 1 block back. Then in front of it, up here, a 3x3 of light blue concrete here, and repeat on this side, a 3x3 of light blue here. Then we're going to come on top, put a single light blue concrete here behind the smooth quartz, and then 1 here. Then we need 2 upside down prismarine brick stairs here, and 2 here facing backwards and sticking out to the side by 1 on each side. Then we'll move around in front of it and add a light blue concrete here, and then 1 here. On top of this, do a 2x2 of prismarine brick slabs, and a 2x2 of slabs here. Then come on the front of this here, and add 2 light blue concrete right here, 2 here. Then come on the side of the top, and we're going to add 2 light blue concrete on top, sticking out to the side like this, 2 on this side. On the front of it, a 2x2 of sideways light blue shulker boxes on either side. Then come under the shulker boxes and put 2 upside down prismarine brick stairs facing forward on each side, and then facing outward upside down on either side behind that, so it wraps around the corners. Now on the side of this, a column of 4 warped fences coming up right here, then 2 on the bottom right in front of that, 1 fence here, and a light blue stained glass pane up here. Now we're going to repeat on the other side but mirrored. So we're going to do 4 warped fences right here, 2 on the bottom down here, 1 here, and a light blue stained glass pane on this top gap. Then up here, a 2x2 of prismarine brick slabs on the top front of each side, like this. Then put 1 warp trapdoor here and here. Then we're going to come on top of this inner quartz block back here with light blue concrete. And we're going to start on top of this block right here, and we're going to come forward till it's sticking out 1 block in front of this. Same thing on this side, start here and come 1 block in front of this. Then we're going to put a forward-facing prismarine brick stair on each one here and here. Then come on the back of it and put an upside-down prismarine brick stair here and here. Then we'll go back to light blue concrete, put 2 on the back of each one, 2 on the front of each one, and 2 light blue shulker boxes on the middle of each one. Then we'll come back here and we're going to put a warp sign on this block here and 1 here. Then we're going to come on the bottom corners of the back, and right here we're going to put a mangrove sign, and then a bamboo sign. Same thing on this side, a bamboo sign here, mangrove sign here. Then grab an acacia button and put 1 here and 1 here. And now we're going to come up to the front of the trailer. We're going to come on top of this upper part here, and we're going to put 4 light blue concrete on the side right here, and then 4 on this side. Then at the front of it, 2 rows of 3 light blue concrete coming up, 2 rows of 3 here. Then on the front top of that, a 2x2 of light blue here, and a 2x2 here. On the side up here, we're going to do a 2x2 of light blue stained glass panes on the top side here. Repeat on this side, a 2x2 of light blue stained glass panes here. Then we're going to come down here and close 2 warp trapdoors here, 2 on this side. Now come back here with quartz brick block, and we're going to start a row coming off this block and come all the way up each side on this level with it. And we're going to stop on each side 1 block before these blue concretes. Then we're going to crouch on the front of these and get 3 light blue shulker boxes here, then 3 here. Then, on the front of each shulker box, we need to get a single light blue concrete sticking out on each one like this. Then a quartz stair here and here. On top of these 2 stairs, put an iron trapdoor on each one. Then behind this, 4 prismarine brick slabs on the top of each side. Like that. Then we're going to come down in the front of this here, and at the front of this red concrete, we're going to put a light blue shulker box on either side, 2 prismarine brick slabs in the middle, then a prismarine brick stair going this way. Then a warp trap door here and here, and surround this with red carpet right here. Then 1 red carpet on the middle here, and then down here, we're just going to come all the way down this bottom middle with our red carpet and bring it right to the back of this weird trailer here. Then for our final detail, we need to make an approximation of the Autobot logo. So we're going to come into a loom with a red banner, white dye, and then a snout batter pattern. Put that on. Then put an upside down white triangle on the top of it, and then a white border on it. And that'll represent our symbol. So we're going to come up, and we're going to put this banner on this item frame of the truck, and then 1 here. Then we're also going to hang 1 right here, and come over to this side and do the same thing, hang 1 right here. And there we have it, folks. We finally completed our Transformers Generation 1 Ultra Magnus and his car carrier semi-truck vehicle mode. I hope everyone enjoyed this build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.